I was excited to see that Tesco had brought out some new options for vegans. Ah, nice, a few sandwiches. Quite a few sandwiches. Shitting hell, Tesco, what are you playing at? I became vegan to make things simple so I didn't have to worry about decisions, you know. I could go into a shop, get my potato and straw sandwich and leave. If there wasn't anything, I'd just go hungry. Now, I'm faced with all this bloody decision making. I went into one of your Tesco stores to get some lunch yesterday. I was in there for 4 pissing hours. The security guard had to drag me out. I still didn't have any lunch at the end of it. I went down to Boots because I thought, okay, if I can't choose something in Tesco because of all this range, I'll find something there. They've done the same pissing thing, haven't they? I spent an entire day looking at sandwiches and I left with nothing. So it would appear to me that the easy days of veganism are over. Now all we're faced with is choice after delicious choice of sandwich, and I think I'll probably die from starvation. So thanks guys, you know, job well done.